Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your SEO strategy with Moz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your SEO strategy using Moz, start by logging into your Moz account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter the keywords you want to target. Analyze the keyword metrics provided, including search volume and difficulty. Select keywords that align with your business goals and have manageable competition. Next, go to the Site Audit section. Input your website URL to run a comprehensive audit. Take note of any critical issues highlighted in the report, such as broken links or missing meta tags. Address the issues one by one, prioritizing those that impact user experience and search rankings the most. Now, switch to the Link Explorer tool. Enter your domain to evaluate your current backlink profile. Review the quality of your backlinks and identify any potentially harmful links. Disavow any low-quality or spammy backlinks using Google's Disavow tool. Then, proceed to the Rank Tracking feature. Set up tracking for your targeted keywords to monitor your SERP positions over time. Regularly check your rankings and adjust your strategy as necessary. Finally, utilize the on-page grader to improve your content. Enter specific URLs to analyze them for SEO best practices. Make changes based on the suggestions provided to enhance your page's optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively protect and strengthen your SEO strategy using Moz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.